Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back.
Welcome back.
I have my helper here, my daughter Kayla.
I haven't been on here in like a year. I'm sorry, y'all. I had to quarantine.
She's not sorry. Today we are going to fill up the printer with sublimation ink because I need to make Christmas shirts like urgently. I have a party on Tuesday to go to. I have Christmas is in 14 days. I need shirts. So we don't know what we're doing, but we are going to attempt. And yeah. I can't with you. So yeah, we'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I have the sublimation ink by Hippo. I'll link this down below. It comes with black, cyan, magenta, yellow. And then it also came with...
You said cyan.
It is cyan.
It's cyan.
Oh. Cyan.
Cyan.
Cyan. Let me know in the comments how do you say this?
Cyan. Cyan.
And then it came with some syringes, which I'll show you why we will need these.
Medical.
It's not medical. Y'all, this is not going to be a like top-notch tutorial. It's a, you know, a real one. Okay, so then we have the printer here. This is the Epson ET2400.
Wi-Fi.
And those same colors I mentioned here, you will have to put them in here. So we will, yeah, so you see it's black, yellow, magenta, and cyan. And so you will have to put the ink in here, and you see why we need those syringes. Because the original, let me show you the other. The original ink that the printer comes with, you could just put these right on top of there and it just fills it up. But this didn't have that option. So
we can make syringes for that.
No, this is regular ink.
Oh.
We'll just use that for my...
Oh yeah, you need the sublimation.
Yeah. So we're going to start with the black. And yeah, you guys are going to do this with us because we don't know what we're doing. And it's messy, so be careful. So we're going to start with the black one.
Open it.
Okay. That's the black one. And it's filling up. Oh man, I'm so excited. It's going to take a minute, so we will be back when we're done. So, but that's basically what we have to do is put in sublimation ink so this can go directly onto shirts and stuff. I got the Sublimation HTV clear vinyl because with the sublimation ink you can only it works best with 100% polyester. But I'm not gonna be trying to find it's hard to find polyester shirts and they're kind of expensive. So a hack that you can do is getting clear HTV vinyl and then sublimating on that, and then your images will be colorful and bright.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful.
So when you get the printer, it's gonna tell you step by step on what to do, and it's like a little chat feature. So you select your printer, and then it's, you know, you follow the instructions from the phone. So this process is just running the ink through the line on the printer, and it takes a minute. It takes about 10 minutes, and it's almost done. So you see, we filled it all the way up, and it's filling up, you know, where it needs to go. So it's almost ready, y'all. Hey y'all, so we're back. I'm just finding files on Etsy to start sublimating. And so for Kayla, she wants this Hello Kitty Christmas one. I don't know if you can see it. Super cute. So I'm gonna work on get that downloaded, and then get it through Cricut Design Space, and then start attacking it. Be right back. Okay, so I got Cricut Design Space open. I'm going to find that Hello Kitty file and get started on this project. So what you want to do is open up Cricut Design Space. Then you want to go to Browse. That's mine. Then you want to find the one that was downloaded, which is that one. Select the complex. I just select complex for all of them. Continue. And there we go. I'm gonna select the remove background just in case, because I just want a nice clear background. So I'm gonna hit remove background. It's gonna do its thing. And yeah, now it's ready. Apply and continue. So we're gonna select, there's gonna be two options. You can either do like a SVG vinyl, cut the image, or a print and cut. And this is what we want to do, because we want to print onto the sublimation paper and then have it cut it for us. So give me 1 second, I'll be right back. So since this is not like a detailed tutorial, I just created and then for those that knows what I'm talking about, but I just created an offset for my HTV clear vinyl, so this color can stick on this, well, on a heavy cotton shirt. So I'm gonna get that printed and cut, and we're gonna start pressing.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful.
Guys, we are back. I swear I feel like I don't know what I'm doing, but we're trying. So I have the image printed and cut, and then I got the clear HTV ready, and we're gonna see how I roll. Kayla picked out a white shirt, so first what we're gonna do is get the moisture out the shirt. Keep press for like 10 seconds. 10. Alright. Then we're gonna create a line so I can find the center part of it. So give me 1 second. Yeah, so we wanna just fold it. It's gonna create this line for me as a guide.
I just did my quote for Progressive. I think he's saving $52, yeah. Like 400, about 420, 430 for the 6 months. Like, this is crazy to me. I've been robbed. Like, I feel like I've been robbing me. Like, I've been with Geico. Not with me. Sorry. Get somebody else to do it.
See it already on the shirt.
Alright guys, I forgot to put something underneath it. This is the moment of truth. You guys gonna be the first to witness if this is a pass or a bust.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. I'm kind of nervous. This is my first sublimation.
Come on.
Alright.
Pill it, pill it.
Okay. I'm pulling. I'm nervous.
Hurry up.
I'm nervous. Oh my.
Good.
Oh my gosh, it's a little. I should have left it on a little bit longer.
It's okay. It gives it the stress look, which is
You
cool.
like that?
Yeah, it's cute. I like that.
Oh
little
my gosh,
distress
guys,
look.
it worked!
Oh my god, her first. Oh my god, I'm so proud.
Let's hold it up and see.
Ooh, so pretty.
That looks so good. You like this?
Yo, I love it.
Oh.
It's so cute and perfect. Look at her jumping like a little kid going to Disneyland.
Oh my gosh.
Look at her.
Oh, that is so awesome. Making another shirt, y'all, for my hubby. Got the offset and then the image. I gotta get on these Christmas shirts, so I gotta hurry up.
Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day